So how many days do you need to learn Power BI? Well, it's a classic it depends situation. If you're a total newbie, you might need a few weeks. But if you've got some data analysis experience, you'll zoom ahead faster. Having a solid plan helps. Don't just stare at charts, start building them. And trust me, nothing beats hands-on practice. Dive in, make mistakes, and soon enough, you'll be showing off your dashboards like a pro. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Welcome to Power BI, the magical world where numbers tell stories. Microsoft created this tool to help us make sense of data, turning boring spreadsheets into eye-catching dashboards. Whether you're a business professional, a data enthusiast, or just someone who loves a good chart, Power BI has got your back. And guess what? It's not just for big corporations, everyone can use it. So buckle up because we're about to make data fun. Why should you learn Power BI? Well, imagine having superpowers in the corporate world. Power BI gives you the ability to turn messy data into crystal clear insights. Companies are always looking for people who can make sense of data, and mastering Power BI sets you apart. Plus, it makes you a data wizard, sorting, filtering, and analyzing like a pro. Who wouldn't want that on their resumes? Creating reports in Power BI is more than just dragging and dropping charts. It's about telling a compelling data story. First, we master visualization principles so our reports don't look like chaotic art projects. Then we make them interactive, allowing users to play with the data like a fun puzzle. A well-designed dashboard should communicate insights at a glance, much like a good meme. And of course, filters and slicers ensure the right people see the right data. Publishing reports is like launching a spaceship. Everything needs to be in place before takeoff. We start by setting up a secure gateway so our data stays safe. Then we send our masterpiece to Power BI service, ensuring it's accessible from anywhere. A scheduled refresh keeps reports from becoming stale because who likes outdated numbers? Finally, managing permissions ensures the right people see the data. Because let's face it, not everyone should have access to everything. Learning Power BI isn't a sprint, it's a well-paced marathon. We break it into manageable chunks to avoid burnout. Prior experience can either speed up or slow things down, like riding a bicycle versus a unicycle. Structured learning resources provide clear direction so we don't end up lost in YouTube rabbit holes. And most importantly, daily practice builds muscle memory, because no one became an expert by just watching tutorials. Learning Power BI comes with its fair share of struggles. Data transformations can feel like deciphering ancient scrolls, but a structured approach helps. Performance issues may slow things down, but optimizing queries is like giving your reports a caffeine boost. Security concerns are real, locking down access ensures no rogue edits. And finally, staying motivated is key. Celebrate small wins and remember, even the best analysts had their "why won't this work?" moments. Is Power BI worth the effort? Absolutely. Companies are eager for professionals who can turn data into gold. Its versatility makes it a powerhouse tool for analysis and reporting. Mastering Power BI can supercharge career opportunities, whether you want to be an analyst or a data storyteller. And let's be honest, being the person who simplifies complex data and helps leaders make better decisions, that's a superpower worth having. All right, folks, let's wrap this up. We've covered some solid ground today, and I hope you found it insightful. First, let's quickly revisit the key takeaways, because let's be real, remembering everything isn't easy. Next, it's time for action. What steps should we take moving forward? I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback, so don't be shy. And finally, I'm optimistic that great things lie ahead, so let's embrace the journey with enthusiasm. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.